Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to convert web page to keyhard code in Chrome browser. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser, and then you can simply come to the top right here and make a new tab. Then having make a new tab, then we can simply go to a particular website. Let's say we want to go to ENG3, then press enter key on our keyboard. So I'm going to simply click on the first result right there. So this particular website right there, I want to simply convert it into keyhard code. So let's check it out. Then having opened up the site, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right there, click on these three dots, and then come down below right there, go to cast, save, and share. Then it brings up see these options right there. The next thing you need to do is to click on create keyhard code, and this is going to pump up right here. You have png.com, and the next thing you need to do is to simply hit on download for you to download the keyhard code, and from there you can share the keyhard code to anybody, and this is going to pump up. And next thing you can do here is to simply hit on save, and the keyhard code is going to save into your download folder on your PC, just like what you see right here. And from here you can share the keyhard code to anybody, and they will automatically connect to this particular web page. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply convert a web page to keyhard code in Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.